Tirnato, Yesum Jinjeshu, which Rikubi, Zamdam Sintogabi, Kapsam, Totin Motor Jeshu. Kiprivi, the teacher, Wachanaba, Kirunaba, with the Chokasani Pipi, Kadunaba, Chanaba, Nemuina.
尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、亲爱的老师们、学员们，大家上午好！我是康巴卫视的主持人卓嘎拉姆。
Respected leaders, distinguished guests, dear teachers and students, good morning, everyone. Unpacking the host in English.
Re Tumargindani, Sojapat Katsashini, which Rekurbi, Sabjong Tuno Jatam of Jetapiti, Lord G. Rosindami, Jamji, Yelkasawa, or Taki, Demishiwa, Yenis Baby, Gandru Yona, Wajin Chisipayan.
金风送爽，硕果飘香。今天我们怀着无比激动与喜悦的心情，齐聚一堂，共同见证藏医针灸学传承培训迎来历史性的100期盛典。在此，我谨代表主办方，向出席今天盛典的各位领导、嘉宾表示热烈的欢迎，向为藏医针灸传承事业辛勤付出的各位专家、老师致以崇高的敬意。
As the golden wind brings coolness, and the fruits scent the air, we gather here today with great excitement and joy to witness the historic 100th anniversary ceremony of Tibetan Medical Acupuncture and Heritage Training. On behalf of our organizer, I extend a warm welcome to leaders, guests, extend today's ceremony. I would like to express my highest respect to experts and the teachers who have worked tirelessly for the cause of Tibetan medical acupuncture inheritance.
参加的我这研究看过，希望你过的我做了多的就是呢。可能我这研究这个比康体所接办的，我这研究这个比像这个讨论节目，我这是我研究这这个中等，那个呢，你这些人白做些呢，我这研究这个比我中这个等。 马的等级本，我中国的坚持的咱们在地，农牧严格的个人了，所种人家各个家庭有见证的，政治有拉夫的马斯，我这爱口语吧啦，俺们这在地上的，偏见这帮是单薄最有讲，俺们这人生脱了这把的，第是咱们个真的充分，我这爱口语比中的人，咱们个生活该送来的。
藏医针灸初创大师向日科医生，他是藏医针灸领域的开创者。他倾尽毕生精力钻研针灸技艺，创立了系统性的藏医针灸伦理体系。他深耕传承20余载，培养了4000多名学员，承办了100多期培训班，为藏医针灸的推广与发展奠定了坚实的基础。 正是有了您，才有了今天藏医针灸学的蓬勃发展。在此向您致以最诚挚的感谢，同时也向圆满完成100期培训的全体学员以及所有关心支持藏医针灸发展的朋友们致以诚挚的祝贺和衷心的感谢。
Dr. Zhengke, the founder master of Tibetan medical acupuncture. He is the pioneer master in the field of Tibetan medical acupuncture. He dedicated his entire life to researching Tibetan acupuncture techniques and established systematic ethical framework of Tibetan medical acupuncture. Over more than 2 decades, he has been deeply engaged in inheritance of Tibetan medical acupuncture, training over more than 4,000 students and organizing more than 100 training courses, laying the solid foundation for Tibetan promotion and development of Tibetan medical acupuncture. With his exquisite Tibetan medical acupuncture techniques. He has treated countless patients, interpreting the benevolence of doctors through practical actions, and is held as a model for the inheritance and innovation of Tibetan medical acupuncture. Therefore, it is because of you we have today's Tibetan medical acupuncture. Thank you very much.
藏医针灸学是藏医药学的瑰宝，凝聚千年智慧，承载着民族健康的使命。百期培训是传承路上的里程碑，更是新征程的起点。